Hey, what's up Dream Car Driving family? It's your boy Tony Rivera. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, subscribe to the Dream Car Driving family, where we are not just about what you drive, but it's about the experience behind the wheel that makes it a dream car driving experience. Today, I just want to reconnect with my audience, my subscribers. I did take a hiatus from YouTube, and it's because I have taken the Dream Car Driving name on YouTube and I have made it into an LLC business, a multimedia business. It's very small right now. I've started out 7 months ago, working with some local dealerships, and today I just want to show you one of my favorite commercials that I have produced with this dealership. It's called Littleton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Millville, New Jersey. They're located locally where I live, and they have a few dealerships. They have one in Vineland, in Millville, and they also have a motorcycle dealership, a Honda one. So yeah, so you can check them out, link in the description below if you're looking for a vehicle. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this video so you guys can know what I have been doing, and this is what I want to bring to the channel, this type of energy, this type of premium content, so to speak, the quality. So I'm not going to hold you guys up anymore. Let me shut up and let's get right to this commercial.
There's never been a better moment to buy a pre-owned truck from Littleton. Hello friends, welcome to Littleton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. We're going to do a huge event on pre-owned vehicles, or pre-loved as I like to call them. You're looking for a truck? We have over 40 pre-owned trucks in stock. We have 3500s, we have 1500s, we have 2500s, we have diesel, we have gas, we have V8, V6. Folks, we have quad cab, crew cab, single cab. We have a truck for everyone, and we're here to deliver you the most vehicles that Littleton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram has ever delivered, the most pre-owned, aka pre-loved vehicles in the month of October. We've written down all our inventory. We have over $3 million of pre-owned inventory, and it's all available at discounted prices to you, my friends. Come see us. This month is a month to remember.
I truly hope you enjoyed this video. My end goal is to work with big car brands such as Lamborghini, BMW, Mercedes, Jeep, whomever, to produce car commercials. That is my goal. I'm setting a date today because it will happen. Please like this video. Comment down below with some constructive criticism. If you don't like this video, it's fine. It's fine. Tap the dislike button twice. Subscribe to my Dream Car Driving YouTube channel before your car breaks down. I'm Tony Rivera, this is Dream Car Driving, and I hope you enjoy your wonderful day, wherever it's at.